3, 2, hey. Say 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, this is Hawkins with Chicken Hawk Farmstead. And today we got our tire chains for our lawnmower in the mail. So we're going to throw those on, and hopefully that's going to give us a lot more traction to get up and down some of these hills we got out here. These things ordered off Amazon, they're like 30 bucks. I thought about going with the other kind of tires, the more grip and tread, but these tires, I got this lawnmower I think last year, and these tires are perfectly fine, pretty much brand new, so it just seemed kind of not worth it to buy a new set of tires when you don't really need them, when a $30 part could possibly give you the same amount of traction. So we're going to tear this open real quick and see how this looks. Oh, there we have it. A little bag of chains. You gonna help with this? No. Thought that's why I brought you out here to help. There's one, and yep, we got two. Look at that. Alright, so we're trying to throw these behind the tires here. Yeah, you're helping good, aren't you? Now, I did watch a video or two on how to do this, but that was last night, so I really don't remember that much. Yeah, watch out. Yeah? You're gonna make Daddy do a lot of editing, aren't you? Watch out. Alright, we have them laid out back here behind it. So we're gonna back straight up, hopefully back straight up on them, and see what happens. What's going on? We're backing up 5 feet. Okay, not even, like a foot and a half. All done. Alright, so see if I can figure out how to connect these things. Hand that to me. Yeah, I don't think we got the right ones there, little fella. I think we just found out why these were 30 bucks. Because there's no way it can be this, if these fit. I thought they looked a little small when I pulled them out. But, hey, live and learn. It's your fault. Maybe these will fit your little Jeep. Yeah, your little Jeep. Maybe we can put them on there. No? Well, these chains are a total bust. I, of course, screwed up on the size. Go figure. But I found a use for them. They can weigh the kid down, and that way I can get away. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Ah! Alright, live and learn. So I'm gonna rerun see how much it is to buy. It says chains that I need. Hope this helps somebody else from ordering the wrong size. by the way. The size is right there on the tire. I looked it up on the internet and apparently pulled the wrong numbers off, which led to a pretty, well, cheap mistake, but you know, it sucks. It's going to be another week before I get another set here. So, it is what it is. Have a good one.